Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have Happy Mail, hooray! My Black Friday TheCoffeeMonsterzCO order is in, and it is thicker than usual. I definitely took advantage of some of the sales and got in on some of the free sample products, so I'm excited to see what it is that I got for free. So if you want to take a look, let's get started. So let's take a look inside, and the first thing is something I didn't really picture myself ordering, which was a pencil case, and only because I have so many bags as it is. It really, it is so much bigger than I was expecting it to be. This will give you a better look at the size of it and what will fit inside. So my Hobonichi Weeks fits inside of here, which is not something that I had planned on, but I think I really like. And I wanted to give you a close look at the inside pockets because I also didn't realize that it was going to come with this band that goes around the entire inside with all sorts of predetermined pocket spaces for pens, and I put a few extra things inside like these glue pens, a pair of scissors, so that you could see that you can fit more than just a regular pen or marker. You can fit some wider things as well, and there's so many spaces. It's really quite handy to have those separate, and the material inside is very interesting as well. So I'm so glad that this planner pack was something that I ordered because I didn't realize how useful it would be. I actually only was impressed at how cute it was. Here is my Erin Condren productivity planner, and I'm surprised at how well that fit in there also. So that is beautiful. You can really see the patterns of the gorgeous little emojis with their fun little outfits on. I love the color scheme with the pink, the brown, the gray, and the white. It's just precious. I got so excited I forgot to mention my order was packaged by Eula. Thank you, Eula. The first thing I got was this beautiful Protect Your Peace. And I've noticed this a lot more in my life lately. I've always been extremely thankful for good mental health, and I have been surrounded by people who do suffer from mental health illnesses, and it's just made me realize this all the more. I've started things like yoga and journaling, and I think that those are really good tools to protect my peace. So let's take a look here, see what we've got. Okay, I actually already got this in my last order, so now I have another one. That's exciting. Oh, this is new. Oh, find little pockets of peace. That is so sweet. I love it. That scene right there actually does really look very peaceful. I love that. And then again, the bean card. So I am working to fill up a bean card, and I've already filled up one, and I'm close to filling up a second one. So this order will definitely help me with that. Ordered. Oh, actually, this is one of the coloring cards. I thought this would be a fun little activity to color in and add that as a little decorative element to some of my pages. This is super cute. Every Friday night we have a family movie night, and during the holidays I wanted to document some of the special Christmas movies that we watch. If you have any recommendations, definitely comment down below. I've been watching a lot of really good Christmas movies lately. Family Switch, Candy Cane Lane, Spirited. If you haven't seen with Ryan Reynolds and Will Ferrell, love that movie. It is like I'm listening to the soundtrack on my walks. It is such a good movie. Anyway, so that is for the holidays. And speaking of holidays, we've got the Canadian holidays. Maple Syrup Day, that's a thing. Truth and Reconciliation, Terry Fox Day. I actually live in Thunder Bay, Ontario, and Terry Fox Monument is here because Terry Fox stopped his run not far from our city, and we have a lot of celebrations and festivities recognizing Terry Fox. So we've got Good Friday, Victoria Day, a civic holiday, Labor Day, Remembrance Day, Boxing Day, Family Day, Beaver Day. What is that? If anybody knows in the comments what a Beaver Day is, I had never heard of it. Indigenous Peoples Day, Canada Day. Great. So I'm happy to have those. And then here is a general holiday sampler, and it's for more than just Christmas. It actually goes and ties really well into the Holidays Canada icons. And lots of little stickers. Again, this is smaller than I was picturing it. I have such a hard time understanding what size of things I'm ordering. And mini mood trackers. I thought these were cute. I have a specific idea for these things. Again, with the festive stickers. So I do a December daily, and I can link that video for you if you're interested in what that's all about. But basically, I document everything that happens in the month of December. So these little stickers will be perfect for either that scrapbook or for putting in my planner. Here are the tab stickers, and I'll show you what I got these for as well. I have already tabbed my Hobonichi weeks, and you can see what that looks like. I just used the plain ones there, and I also did my Han as well, but these colorful ones are for my productivity planner by Erin Condren, and I can show you actually how it looks because I have gone in and decorated. So here we start off with January. As you can see, I've gone in with the monthly labels, the washi tape, and then the washi tape stickers, and down there in the bottom as well. So I've done this for every month for the first 6 months. The next month here, of course, being February, and you can see the pretty designs for March as well. And then we move into April. This is really quite cute. I'm happy with how this is starting to come together and adding a little decorative touch as well as functionally labeling all of my months so that I can identify which months belong to which. We move into May here, and because of the shorter word for May, I had used a few more stickers up top there. But it's really cute, and my favorite month is June because it's pink. And so I'm really happy with how that came together. Now I just need to wait for the next 6 months to come out so I can finish off the second half of the book. So here are a few little goodies. So this is a little thank you for my purchase. Love that. And then I earned little stickers here. Control Z, which is undo. Flying away from my problems. The ones that I chose and purchased were the Protect Your Peace. And then I I would have liked to have got the whole series of these little I am generous, I am important, I am creative. There were a couple more that I was interested in but were sold out, so I missed out on those. And then the last thing that I ordered was this little sticker book. I think will be very useful. I'm often noticing that I have leftover stickers and I don't like keeping like a great big sheet. In fact, here's a good example. So I've got these stickers left over. I have a great big sheet, and so I could just peel some stickers off and then stick them in here so that I can go back to them again, and then they'll easily peel off, and then I can still use them as stickers. So I have that not just with my Coffee Monsters Co., but with a lot of my different products, from scrapbooking, paper crafting, and card making. So that's nice. You get quite a few of the sheets here, 28, 30. So I was counting both sides of the paper there to give us 30 pages for stickers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.